Starting around 27 July 2023, Stepn by and large is exchanging at 21 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.64% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which is very critical. GMT truly has an especially all-out market cap of $233,644,358, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $16,284,828, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. This sort of makes Stepn GMT really positioning at 121 in the cryptographic money market in a truly significant manner. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Stepn cost expectation end of 2023. What will Stepn certainly be in every practical sense worth in 2023, which by and large is genuinely huge? Is Stepn a very wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Which certainly is genuinely critical. Will GMT cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high? Which sort of is genuinely critical. These in a real sense are our Stepn cost expectations for GMT'(S) future, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Stepn GMT value expectation 2023. As per the Stepn estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT value sort of is supposed to essentially cross an extremely normal value level of 26 cents, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Stepn, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to especially be 25 cents in a fundamentally large manner. Besides, GMT can arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of 29 cents. Stepn GMT value conjecture July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Stepn essentially is somewhat anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a truly normal cost of 22 cents, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of 23 cents and an extremely least of 20 cents. GMT value gauge August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Stepn basically is supposed to arrive at the very least value worth of 22 cents. Lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The GMT cost could especially arrive at an especially greatest cost of 24 cents, with the typical cost around 23 cents, or so they truly thought. Stepn GMT value expectation September 2023. The cost for Stepn in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 23 cents and 25 cents. Which fundamentally is very critical, while the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around 24 cents, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Stepn value expectation October 2023. The cost of Stepn in every practical sense is explicitly anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach at an exceptionally least worth of 23 cents in October 2023. Which shows that besides GMT can truly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 29 cents. Stepn GMT value conjecture July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Stepn truly is for the most part anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a by and large normal cost of 22 cents, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of 23 cents and at least 20 cents in a very huge manner. The GMT cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of 26 cents, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 24 cents all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn value expectation November 2023. The cost of Stepn truly is in every practical sense anticipated to in every way that really matters reach at a for the most part least worth of 24 cents in November 2023 in a truly significant way. The GMT cost could especially arrive at a greatest worth of 27 cents, with the especially normal exchanging worth of 25 cents all through 2023, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Stepn GMT value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Stepn especially is explicitly anticipated to in every way that really matters arrive at an average Stepn by and large past value examination and the for the most part beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been basically diminished by 0.56% in its ongoing worth, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Assuming that we truly look at the very current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, So Stepn, GMT, value gauge December 2023, for December 2023. The cost of Stepn truly is certainly anticipated to sort of arrive at an average Stepn past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been truly diminished by 0.56% in its most certainly current worth, which certainly is genuinely critical. Stepn by and large is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins. Exceptionally further appearance how Stepn explicitly is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in an essentially significant manner. The GMT sort of is down to nearly 8.27% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, exhibiting how Stepn value expectation October 2023. The cost of Stepn in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to for the most part reach at least worth of 23 cents in October 2023, which basically shows that besides GMT can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of 29 cents. Stepn, GMT, value estimate July 2023, for July 2023. The cost of Stepn fundamentally is anticipated to basically arrive at a truly normal cost of 22 cents, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of 23 cents and a genuinely least of 20 cents in a by and large huge manner. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for especially past in every practical sense. Not many days, the coin could especially have areas of strength for especially in any case. We don't really imagine that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT really diminished by 47.233%, disposing of an astounding genuinely normal amount of 19 cents from its genuinely current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be in every practical sense. Great certainly purchase an open door for sort of fast venture, by and large further appearance. How Stepn value expectation October 2023. The cost of Stepn explicitly is in every practical sense anticipated to fundamentally reach at an especially least worth of 23 cents in October 2023, which fundamentally shows that in addition GMT can in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 29 cents. Stepn, GMT, value gauge July 2023, for July 2023. The cost of Stepn sort of is basically anticipated to generally arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of 22 cents, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 23 cents and an especially least of 20 cents in a very significant manner. The 90 days cost change generally is near 63.11%, and the cost circled from a very least really normal cost of 51 cents to truly great